My favorite treatment to start wash day is to pre-poo. I absolutely love pre-pooing my hair just because of the many benefits that it does hold, and ever since I started doing this, I noticed a huge difference in the overall health of my hair, and I really like that I can control the different oils that I use. So my favorite oils are coconut oil just because it helps to add luster, shine, and softness to the hair. Also, it helps to prevent hair breakage, split ends, and it contributes to an overall healthy hair and scalp. And I really like Jamaican black castor oil just because it really helps to grow and thicken my hair from the roots on down. And I also love almond oil just because it has so many benefits, and it really helps to keep my hair nice and moisturized. Along with water, of course, you want to add water and then add the oil to help seal that moisture in. And I love Baobab oil just because it is rich in omega-3, 6, 9 and vitamins, and it's also going to help to nourish the hair follicles, scalp, and the skin. And I really like oils that I can use on both my hair, scalp, and my skin, and it's going to help to strengthen and support elasticity in the hair. I will be using an applicator bottle just to pour all the oils onto my hair and scalp. It just makes for an easier application process to where the oils don't get all over the place, and I can be really strategic when I am pouring the oils onto my hair or my scalp. So I am running out of my coconut oil, unfortunately, but the good thing is that I only need a little bit from each oil for my pre-poo mix. I'm pouring a little bit of each oil into the applicator bottle, and I'm not being so precise of how much oil I'm using, but I'm really eyeballing it to make sure that I am going to have enough to pre-poo my hair. I've added all the oils to the applicator bottle, and here's how it looks. And of course, the castor oil sunk to the bottom because it is very thick and the heaviest, which is another reason why I love castor oil. It has really helped to thicken my hair and also to give me some volume, which I love. Now I'm going to heat all the oils up using hot water. And if you do decide to do this step, because it is optional, please do not use the microwave, because the microwaves tend to kill a lot of the vitamins, the minerals, the nutrients, also the omega-3, 6, and 9s. All the good benefits of these oils, the microwave will have an adverse reaction to, and you don't want to mess the oils up. You really want to get all the benefits that you can from these oils. After I pour the hot water into the bowl with the applicator bottle in it, I will let it sit for about 5 minutes just so the oil can heat up. So when I do apply the oils to my hair, it's like a hot oil treatment, which is very good for the hair and scalp. So about 5 minutes later, here's how the oil looks, and you can see it is nice and liquefied, and that there is no separation of the oils, so you don't see the different layers. You just see one oil, which I really like. I know the color of my hair looks very different. All I did was spray some color in my hair. I did not dye my hair over again. But now I'm just preparing my hair for the pre-poo process. I wanted to show you what my hair looked like before I applied any water to it. So now I'm just going to apply water all over my hair. And remember, water is a moisturizer within itself. So water is very hydrating. It's going to hydrate your hair from outside and also inside when you do drink a lot of water. I'm just going to section my hair into quadrants as I always do. This just really helps me to stay nice and organized and on track to make sure that all of my hair gets the TLC that it needs. After I've sprayed a good amount of water to my hair, I am going to section it off into a smaller subsection, and this is where I am going to apply the hot oil treatment to my hair and scalp, and it feels so good. It feels very relaxing. I just want to make sure that I do apply a good amount of the oil to my roots, my scalp, and the length of my hair, just to make sure that it is very healthy overall. I'm also going to use a wide tooth comb just to make sure that my hair is tangle free, and also it helps to make sure that the oils are really penetrating into the hair shaft. And once I do this and I feel that my hair is nice and smooth, that the oil has really penetrated into my hair really good, I am going to twist it, and I'm going to continue this process on the rest of my hair. After I have done this process all over my hair, I am going to remove the clips, and I am going to put a plastic cap over my hair just to really allow the oils to penetrate into my hair even further. I'm applying a little bit more oil to my hair just to make sure that my hair stays nice and moisturized. After completing a few tasks around the house, I'm ready to rinse the pre-poo out, and my hair feels super soft, very moisturized and hydrated, and these are definitely 3 components that I look for in products to make sure that my hair is healthy. Now it's time to rinse my hair, rinse the oils, rinse the color out, and I will be preparing my hair for the shampoo. I wanted to address a topic that's been brought onto my channel more so in the recent, and that is my usage of water. I will say that I am dealing with a lot of stress right now, and water is serving as a therapeutic remedy just to help me deal. So even if I'm not using water directly on my hair at that moment, I am using it on my body just to help me deal with the stress. Water is proven to be a therapeutic remedy, and I hope that you will understand that. For my shampoo, I'm going to use Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo just because it is a very moisturizing, and it also serves as a reparative shampoo, and it leaves the hair very easy to manage and shiny and healthier overall. I really like the shampoo because it feels like an oil to a cream, but it's also cleansing my hair, so my hair does not feel stripped. Even after I rinse the shampoo out, my hair still feels moisturized and soft, which is very important to me. This shampoo is very creamy. Also, it really allows me to run my fingers through my hair with ease. After I've applied the shampoo to all 4 sections, I like to take the clips off and just massage my scalp and make sure that the shampoo is worked in my hair very well before I rinse it out. After rinsing the shampoo out, my hair feels amazing. It is very soft and voluminous, and most importantly, my hair does not feel stripped of its moisture. It is very hydrated. Now I'm going to go in using the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and I really love this conditioner because I don't need a lot of it, and it really penetrates into my hair shaft. That is very important for me. When I do use products, I want them to actually penetrate into my hair versus sitting on top of it, and I don't need a lot of this conditioner, which is amazing. I use this little bottle, which is 8.5 ounces. This is the 3rd time I'm using it, so that says a lot. If I can use a conditioner this small 3 times, then it is definitely a win. I'm combing my hair with a wide tooth comb while the conditioner is still in it, and I've noticed that by doing this, my hair is able to absorb the conditioner a lot better, which works better for me because I'm really getting the conditioner to work. And as you can see, my curls are clumping together, which is an indication that this product is working in my hair. and this is why I absolutely love it. Also, I've noticed that when I use this conditioner, I don't have to section my hair further into halves, which just makes it easier and a quicker process for wash days. Now it's time to rinse the conditioner out. After rinsing the conditioner out, my hair feels very soft and hydrated, which is very important. Now it's time for a deep conditioner, and I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment. And yes, my hair loves protein. It really helps to build my hair and also strengthen it, and I do balance it out with moisture, but this Shea Moisture Protein Treatment is so good in my hair. And when I apply the deep conditioner, I'm not using a wide tooth comb. I'm just using my fingers to make sure that the deep conditioner is worked in my hair very well. After I've applied this protein treatment to my hair, I am going to let it sit for about 10 minutes while I do take a shower. So after 10 minutes, here is how my hair looks. And once I rinse it out, my hair still feels good. It's soft, it's moisturized. I still have my volume, and there is definition. So I love using these products, and they definitely work together. And to dry my hair, I do use a cotton t-shirt. This is just going to help to prevent frizzing and any friction in my hair by using a towel. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please give me a like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!